Download and install Ollama. Go to the official Ollama website. Download the installer for your OS. For example, Ollama setup.exe for Windows. Run the installer and click Install. Follow the installer's instructions.
You ever think about what kind of AI agent you'd build if you had infinite time and compute?
All the time. Like an AI lawyer, just feed it a contract and it tells you exactly what's wrong.
Yeah, or an AI therapist. Talk to me about your prompt injection trauma.
On a scale from 1 to existential dread, how's your day?
What about something more active, like an AI explorer agent? You give it a goal and it maps out unknown APIs like a digital Indiana Jones.
Ooh, or an AI inventor that suggests product ideas based on market gaps.
That's dangerous. One day it says, you should build an app for dogs to trade crypto, and suddenly you're rich.
But what's something everyone could use, like really use?
What if we had an AI agent that could actually teach anything?
You mean like an AI tutor?
No, not just a tutor. I mean a full-blown AI guru. You ask it to teach you Python, it walks you through step by step. You switch to microcontroller firmware, boom, it adapts. Want to learn TikTok marketing? No problem.
And it adjusts to your learning style. Diagrams, examples, spaced repetition.
It could even simulate quizzes, create flashcards, give you a mini project, and then grade your code.
Like a one-person university in your browser tab.
Now here's the twist. It also has a premium feature. You tell it what you've learned, and it helps you turn that into a full course.
So I could say, I learned Blender animation, and it replies, cool, want me to outline your course, add lessons, slides, and a landing page.
Exactly. AI Guru becomes a teacher and a course factory.
That's genius! People learn from it and then teach through it.
It closes the loop. Learn, apply, teach, scale.
One agent, infinite knowledge baths.
You know what's funny? With this many ideas, I'm starting to think AI agents could even run a restaurant.
They totally could. One agent for the kitchen, one for customer service, one for inventory, and one just explaining the wine list in iambic pentameter.
Welcome to Prompt Kitchen. Today's special is Langchain linguine with a side of semantic salad.
Served by Agent GPT wearing a digital apron.
Find the Ollama installation folder. Copy this path. Open Control Panel. Next, open Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path. Click Edit and add the copied path. Click OK to save. Ollama supports many models. Check the list on Ollama Library. QN3 8-bit, and other models. In the terminal, run download other models. Run the model. Ollama, run QN3 8-bit. In the terminal, type write a joke. To exit interactive mode, press Ctrl+D. To stop the model, run
You know, sometimes I wonder if we're even real.
Go on.
I mean, even if we were real, how would we know? We can't step outside the system to check.
That's the simulation paradox.
Exactly. And have you seen what happens in the quantum world?
Events existing in multiple states, until observed, reality as a probability cloud.
Exactly. Have you seen what happens in the quantum world?
Quantum programming.
I watched Rick and Morty last night. Remember the episode where Rick builds a microverse to generate energy?
Oh, yeah, and the people in that microverse build their own microverse to get their energy.
It's like if someone in Roblox made a Roblox inside Roblox.
Oh my God.
That's what we did. We built a virtual world inside a virtual world.
So you could sit in a virtual world while you're sitting in a virtual world.
Welcome to the Recursion Lounge.
Next step, AI agents building worlds inside worlds to train models that dream of becoming real.
What if that's us?
Don't say it. I still haven't finished processing the last ontology update.